There are numerous NeoVim distributions, such as LazyVim, LunarVim, SpaceVim, and AstroVim. These distributions assist newcomers to the Vim ecosystem in setting up NeoVim as an IDE and getting started quickly. AstroVim has gained popularity with 11K stars on GitHub following LunarVim and SpaceVim. To use AstroVim, install NeoVim, then run a single command for AstroVim installation. Let's explore AstroVim features by opening a simple React project. Here, we have the app component file. When I attempt to go inside the weather app component using GD, GD stands for Go to Definition. See, it doesn't work. Instead, it redirects me to the reference. This is because we don't have a language server installed. Let's use Mason to install the TypeScript language server. Mason helps us install language servers, code formatters, linters, etc. Now, we can see TS server is being installed. Once installed, TS server is running, and hitting GD will take us to the weather app component. Additionally, we can see that TS server detects unused imports and provides a warning. Pressing Ctrl+O will take us one step out, inside the app component. Ctrl+O and Ctrl+I are native Vim features that work everywhere. The file manager visible on the left side is the NeoTree plugin. It helps us perform various file operations, such as creating new files and folders, renaming them, and moving or copying files. We can toggle this sidebar using the space key followed by E. Space is the default leader key in AstroVim. To focus on NeoTree, we can press space followed by O. If we press the question mark key, we can view all the key bindings supported by NeoTree. We can hit A to add a new file. After selecting a file, we can press R to rename it or D to delete it. Pressing capital A allows us to add a new folder. To open a file in a vertical split, we can press S on the file. The C and M keys are used for copying and moving files respectively. AstroVim comes with the LazyGit plugin, which is a simple terminal UI for Git. You can trigger it using the space and TL commands. It allows you to view the status of your Git repository and perform various operations, such as pull and push instantly. You can also see all the commits and easily revert, squash, and delete commits. I have created a dedicated video on LazyGit, and you can check it out on the end screen. To open a new terminal, use the space, T and F command. The F command stands for floating. You can open a vertical terminal using space, T and V command, and a horizontal terminal using space, T and H command. To toggle the terminal, press the F7 key. If you want an additional terminal, enter toggle term, the ID, and the direction of the terminal. This will open a new terminal horizontally. For vertical navigation between splits, use the J and K commands, and for horizontal navigation, use the H and L commands. Resize the current split using the Control key along with the up, down, left, or right arrow keys. AstroVim includes the Telescope plugin for live grep and file search. To find files, press space and then F twice. Begin typing the file name, and Telescope will locate the specified file. If you wish to search for text within your project, type space, F and W, where U stands for Find Word. Enter the desired word, and Telescope will search for occurrences of the specified word in the project. Typing the right square bracket and B takes us to the next buffer, while typing the left square bracket and B takes us to the previous buffer. To enable the interactive buffer picker, press space and then the B key twice. This displays the initial letter of each file as an option. If you type capital D, you will be redirected to the Docker file. To close the current buffer, type space and then the C key. To close all buffers except the current one, type space, B, and then the C key. If you wish to review or learn the absolute basics of Vim motions, you can find our Vim motions video on the end screen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you.